Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can integrate Claude Code into VS Code. So the first step is to install the Claude Code extension from the marketplace. So you just have to open the Visual Studio Code and click the extensions icon in the left sidebar. Or you can also just press Ctrl Shift X on Windows and CMD Shift X on Mac OS. So in the search bar at the top, you can type in Claude Code and look for the official extension published by Anthropic. So it shows the Anthropic logo, version 1.4.2 or the newer, around 2.1 M downloads, and a 4.8 star rating. So just click on the blue install button, and then for the VS Code, you have to download the extension and then add a small cloud icon to the activity bar on the left. And then just reload the editor automatically. And then just make sure that you have the VS Code version 1.85 or newer because older builds will reject the extension at install time. For step number 2 is you just have to sign in and connect your Anthropic API key. So open the integrated terminal with Control plus and run the command cloud login, and the extension will open your default browser to console.anthropic.com, where you sign in with your Anthropic account. Now, after approval, the browser shows your API key in the format SK ANT-API03- and you just have to copy it and then return to VS Code and paste it into the terminal where it asks for you to paste your API key. So the key is stored securely in the VS Code secret storage. This is encrypted by your OS keychain, not in plain text. So you should see a green successfully authenticated message, and the cloud icon in the status bar will return from gray to blue. Next step is to open the Claude Code sidebar and send your first prompt. So just click the cloud icon in the activity bar to confirm the Claude Code sidebar on the right side of the editor. And from there, you will see a chat interface with an input box at the bottom. So open any code file that you want to work on and select a function, then type a prompt like refactor this function to use async/await, and then press enter. So Cloud reads the selected code plus surrounding context, streams a response, and shows a suggested changes as a green or red diff inside the chat. So click the Apply Changes button below the diff to write the changes directly to your file. Now VS Code will highlight every modified line so you can review before saving. Next step is configure your model, auto apply, and token limits. So just open the VS Code settings, click on the control on Windows, CMD on Mac OS, and search for cloud in the settings search bar. So the most important options are Cloud Code model. So set this to Cloud Sonnet 4.5 for the best balance of speed and quality, or Cloud Opus 4 for the hardest refactors. So Cloud Code Auto Apply, you can check this if you want changes written instantly without clicking apply each time, and it will only enable once you trust Cloud on your code base. So Cloud Code max token set to 8192 for longer responses on complex files. So settings save automatically and take effect on the next prompt with no restart needed. Lastly is verify the integration and track your token usage. So to confirm everything is wired up correctly, ask Cloud something multi-file like create a new React component for a login form and update app.tsx to import it. And then Cloud should respond with check, created 3 files, modified 2 files, and you will see new files appear in the Explorer. So the bottom status bar will show a green Cloud Code connected 12,432 tokens used today indicator. So this is your live usage counter so you don't accidentally burn through your monthly quota. So a small notification toast, Cloud Code is ready, will also appear in the bottom right corner. And from here, Cloud is fully integrated and you can use it in on any project that you open in VS Code. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!